What's up, guys? Sean here. Check this awesome, I've never ridden one of these, Suzuki Boulevard 2006. This is a C90, which makes it, I don't know, 1500 cc, something around there. It's silver, a little dirty. I'm gonna clean it up, don't worry about that. This is a test drive video. We're gonna see how it runs. I'm pretty excited because this bike is light. For a 1500 cc bike, I think it weighs less than 600 pounds, which is amazing. Where's the key? Down here. Key is down here. Let's fire this thing up. Fuel injection, nice and smooth. Let's fix my glasses. Actually, I'm gonna put a tag on the bike. All right. I'll wait for you. No problem. So many miles are on this thing? 27,000. Runs good. Now it's starting to rain on me. I ain't worried about it. Sure does feel light though. Got good power. Actually, I have ridden a C90. No, I rode a M90. M90 Boss. It's a pretty cool bike. I like these things. These are nice bikes. Big bike for little money. It's hard to beat that. This thing's got a lot of life left in it. 27 miles is nothing for one of these bikes. The clutch is hydraulic, and it does grab a little later. Although that might be able, I might be able just to adjust that. I'd like my clutches to grab a little sooner. That's just what I'm used to riding. I don't like too much free play in my clutch lever. This grabs it almost like the last inch. But it doesn't slip at high throttle, so the clutch The clutch still feels good. It really cruises well. Nice and smooth at higher speeds. At speed limit speeds, of course. That windshield's, I'm not a big windshield guy, but I'm glad I have it. I'm glad it's on there right now. It's keeping the rain and wind from hitting my chest. That's always nice. Some of the benefits of having a larger bike like this, but that's really light, is you can ride a big displacement bike, but not feel obligated to be super strong. I mean, there are Harley Davidsons that weigh almost 900 or more pounds. If this thing does in fact weigh around less than 600 pounds, that's very impressive. I'll look that up. I'll fact check that. Maybe I'm wrong. I don't know. It does feel really light though. Everything about it does feel incredibly light. Let's bang through the gears up here. Yep. It moves, it's nice and smooth. It's what you would expect for a large displacement bike. 90 stands for 90 cubic inch. C could stand for classic. It is that classic look. That could be. It's got little wind deflectors on the front to stop the wind from hitting my calves. Well, I've never had that complaint. That wind is hitting my calf, or wind is hitting my shin, and you have to do something about it. But hey, some people don't like that. This bike's a little dirty, but it'll clean up really nice, but it definitely runs good. I'd feel comfortable hopping on this thing and throwing my wife on the back and just going wherever. It's got a good sound, it's stock, it's quiet. Personally, I like a quiet bike. I want to experience the drive. I don't feel like loud pipes save lives. They destroy your hearing. Well, it's not really the loud pipes that destroy your hearing. It's more the wind noise, actually. But I just don't think loud pipes are saving anyone's life. Safe driving saves lives. That's what saves your lives. High visibility clothing and helmets, that saves your life. Loud pipes. If that was true, then loud stereo saves lives. And last time I checked, you get in trouble when you play your stereo too loud. Brakes feel nice and tight. Clutch shifts nice and smooth, unlike the M109. The Suzuki M109 has the clunkiest transmission. This one's, you don't even think about it, it's just, okay, cool, I'm in gear now. Get your turn signals over here. Left, right, cancel, press in the middle. It's got four-way flashers on. Who is not happy that bikes started putting four-way flashers on them? What are we supposed to do when we're on the side of the road broken down? We need four-way flashers too. Alright guys, that's the Boulevard test drive C90. Good run a bike. This will be for sale. This will sell fast. All my bikes sell fast. If you want to see more about it, check out the walk around video. I'll have my number listed below if you want to call me and buy it. All right, thanks guys.